Hello, and welcome back, folks. Do you have issues with your VLOOKUPs? Today, we are going to see what kind of problems you have and how we can fix them. Today's tips are two. First, duplicate values. So, looking at the screen, we have John here. I will make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it very easily. So, looking at this course, we have John here, and we want to look at this course for him is equal to VLOOKUP, that's your usual syntax. Select John, and then I have selected the subjects. And remember, I've highlighted this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top. These are the columns that you usually select. So in this case, I want to see the science numbers. So science is column number 5. I have selected the table, column number 5, comma, false means I need exact results. Enter. 66. This is John's score, as you can see on the screen, 66. But error comes when there are duplicate names. For example, I'm going to change Rave into John, and remember, Rave's score is 98. Currently, John's score is 66. Enter. Now, what happened here? While we have two Johns here, Excel has picked up 98 scores, which means if you have duplicate values in your first column, that is the matching column, then Microsoft Excel VLOOKUP will pick up the very first row. And that data will be reflected here. So the next one will be forgotten. Tip here is make sure you don't have any duplicates when you are VLOOKUPing up the information. That was the one. Now, the same information. Now we have John here. I will remove, let's say, this one, 98 is the number we see. I will change this one to 12 just for the sake of example. Now what I've done is I've included one more column here. And then, as you see, the numbers have changed already. And I've put here dance, and the score is, let's say, 34. Now, what happened? Our 98 size score is not exactly 98 because I've inserted one column here. I'm going to clean the screen here. Our score is not 12 anymore because it is moved. So if we want to look at it, then we have to make sure that we update here because the number have changed. So how did the number change? If I move it here, and I fill series. Now you see this column number is 6. So it has changed. It's not 5 anymore. So we have to change here 6 and it will show correct numbers. So make sure if you include any columns, then you update the formula in the function as well. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Do share with me your problems and your ideas that you have every day, and let's figure out some solutions for you. Do comment in the comment section. I look forward for your problems and issues, and I look forward to speak to you again as well. Till then, ta-da.